Hello everyone, my name's Dean. Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. Today is September 18th, 2022, and it's T minus 8 hours, more or less, all right? In about 8 hours, we should see a big move in this chart. What chart am I talking about? As always, I'm looking at the DXY, the US dollar currency index, because it is the market mover. It not only moves cryptocurrency, but it also moves traditional markets. I'm not going to talk about that. This is simply a quick weekend update, my friends. So I'm just going to say that when the US dollar currency index starts trading again tonight at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, okay, pre-trading opens at 5:30, real action happens at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we should see a big move in this chart, okay? And we're assuming that this trend that was going before it closed on Friday at 5 p.m. is going to continue, and we're going to gap down, right? At least, if not immediately, then after a small move up, we're eventually going to gap down and break the barrier or the support of this channel and yield a big move to the downside, which should show a huge move up in crypto, and then on Monday a huge move up in stocks. Okay, so this is what we're looking for. This is why we're waiting for 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in about 8 hours of time. Okay, now let's look at Bitcoin and crypto. What's it been doing? It's been dilly-dallying, okay? Not much has been going on, and that's all to be expected, isn't it? Right? Because our market mover is still kind of stagnant, right? And the thesis on this channel is that the DXY is really the Bitcoin mover, okay? It's not Michael Saylor. It's not, some hundreds of millions of dollars of Bitcoin purchased here or there. That doesn't move a $400 billion market, right? So we've been looking at Bitcoin go up and pretty much come right back down, but not to the same point. We've come up in what seems to be, you could say it's 5 waves, you could say it's 3 waves. I'm not exactly sure, but let's say it's 5 waves, like something like this, right? You're basically getting a 3-wave move, and what you're getting here is a consolidation reversal pattern. What I like about this is that it took us 23 hours, almost a day, to come up in these 5 waves, right? And it's taken almost the same amount of time to consolidate. Okay, that's what you typically see in an impulsive wave. Okay, and if we're to say that this was the first wave of the bull market, right? This 5-wave impulse, right? It was modest, but it's still kind of a move up. Yeah, it's not only breaking this descending wedge that we've been forming, but it's also kind of retesting it right here, okay? So maybe in a little less than 8 hours, we get a move out of here. Maybe we get it before that and we start to move up, and then we really break out once the DXY starts trading and gaps down in earnest. Okay, so that's kind of why I'm waiting until tonight, but this is what I'm looking for on the charts. Guys, if you're getting value, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's quickly go down and look at all other altcoins, and we can see more or less the same thing. We can see impulses to the upside, 3-wave move to the downside, probably going to get a move before 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, but these altcoins can front run Bitcoin, no problem. I don't see any explosive moves in the market before Sunday evening. I could be wrong, but that's just me, okay? Looks like Dodo's front run a little bit. Once again, you see 5 waves up, like something like this, and then you see a correction, a 3-wave correction. Here in Polkadot, you seem to have gotten a 3-wave move up, okay? Because this retracement I mean, you could say it's a 5-wave move, but this retracement seems to come down a little bit beyond the 0618. And we know that when your retracement comes beyond the 0618, yeah, well beyond the 618, that is a corrective move. So Polkadot's a corrective move. Can't say that that's impulsive. Ethereum for sure is a corrective move. You went up in 3 waves, came down in 3 waves, consolidating, reversing, right? You retraced almost 100% of your move up, so that's not impulsive. Litecoin, yeah, it's you could say it's a corrective move. It just doesn't look like the strongest impulsive move here. In any case, it was, I believe, the first wave up, the first move up in the bull market, in the sense that, like, this move in the DXY is going to make everything shoot up, okay? That's just how the math works. Reserve rights, kind of same thing. Shiba Inu, kind of same thing. This kind of looks corrective to me, if I want to be honest, okay? Synthetics, same thing, that looks corrective. Zilliqa, same thing, that looks corrective. VRA, that looks corrective. Harmony 1, that does look corrective, okay? Kadena definitely looks corrective, definitely breached the 0618 of whatever move up this was. It's not bad, it's not bearish, it's just not the fireworks we are waiting for, okay? That definitely looks corrective in Binance Coin, okay? Like, impulses are more erect, they're more clear, up, moves up. And I think XRP is probably the only one that actually looks impulsive, okay? That's a 5-move impulse. You look like you're putting in wave 1 of 3, you're going to put in wave 2 of 3, and then you're going to finally come down and then consolidate for a bit and then continue back up. Guys, if you appreciated that rundown of not only Bitcoin, but the altcoins in our watch list, please like, share, and subscribe. Have a great Sunday. I'll see you guys tomorrow for the live stream for the usual content, longer form. Take care.
For the damage to begin, wreaking havoc on eardrums. We cold getting dumb, getting your crazy style. Late night, height division, we be moving with precision. With 10 spots popping off, making some decision about hitting them one at a time with these ill rhymes. My love at the door, free drinks hitting the floor. The Zodiac.